All right, guys, it is time for a heavy dose of bug spray. We gotta get into the sticks, that nasty stuff that got ticks, mosquitoes, whatever you want. That's where it's at. But this is the Topwater pond. So today, the goal is some explosive blow-ups. That's what we're looking for. Got the rat, got the frog, and got the whopper plopper. So let's go, baby. That's a little blow up, guys. Missed it. And I just swallowed a sunflower seed. Guys, don't swallow sunflower seeds. I use sunflower seeds when fishing for topwater fish. See if we can get that same fish. So guys, we're gonna fish this area. Don't ever sleep on these types of mat because bass will hide underneath these, especially when it's really hot. I'm gonna start with this part first to work my way to that part. But they're just hide out here when it's hot. So it may be some big ones lurking in here. Ooh, fish missed it. Told you guys, these masks, they usually hold fish. Oh! Oh, oh, froggy. Finally connected, man. It took about 3 blow-ups before this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good night. What? That'd be a rat, though.
This dude ate it, man. He wasn't going nowhere.
What's supposed to do with this thing?
Got him stuck.
Don't hit this?
They will, man. Dang, dang, dang. Lost it, man, dang. So guys, you're now watching day 2 of this video. We had a couple days to get out there, really quick time frames to fish for some of these frog eaters. So one thing that seems to always happen when you're fishing topwater is they always hit when you're not expecting it. When you're playing with your phone, when you're looking off, when you're talking, it never fails. That is when you get that bait. So let's jump right into that footage. Let's go. Huh? What happened?
I feel it's dry.
Oh! That fish flew up right there, bro.
I was talking to you. I didn't hear it.
Yeah. Boom.
I thought it just snagged against the lily pad.
Nah, I think that was a fish, man. That's when it always happens, man. Oh, got off.
Against the lily pad. Dang.
Uh-oh. Oh! Ah, decent one. He hit it so violently. It's a pep squeak. But he had a lot of energy. Look at that, man. All that noise, man. We got him, though. That popper frog is no joke, guys. Another frogfish. There we go. Let's get it released. Got him right at the bank, guys. I wasn't even paying attention. First one, midday whopper plopper bite. That's what I'm talking about. Got him on the whopper plopper. That 130 is dangerous, guys. Catch them in any size. First one of the day on that whopper plopper 130. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and hopefully too, y'all can get on some frog eaters and take advantage of that Topwater fall bite. It is insane, and there is nothing like seeing a bass blow up. So, we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all have a great day, and be sure to subscribe. Tight lines.